Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how you can use the object eraser functionality on the Samsung Galaxy A36. The feature is pretty simple. You go to gallery or you need to take a photo. I took this one, and here you have the middle button. Click on it and select object eraser. Now it will analyze the photo and find suggestion of what to erase. If you want to erase something specifically, just draw a circle around the object that you want to erase. Let's say I want to erase this ring. It will automatically select it and then click on erase. You can undo this or again redo this. We will select this one as well. Click on erase, but the shadow will remain, unfortunately. Click on save. You can save the original or save a different copy. Let's say save a different copy, and I'll have the original photo and this one as well. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.